Imagine a world where every financial decision you make is guided by real-time intelligence, where patterns invisible to the human eye are instantly spotted, and where opportunities in markets, investments, and wealth creation are predicted with uncanny precision. That world isn't science fiction anymore. It's rapidly becoming reality. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a tool for tech companies. It's quietly transforming how we understand money, invest, and build wealth. The question isn't if AI will impact finance, it's how fast and how deeply it will change everything. Let's start with the basics. Traditional investing has always relied on a mix of analysis, intuition, and sometimes luck. Traders and fund managers study charts, earnings reports, and economic indicators, trying to spot opportunities before the rest of the market catches on. But humans have limitations. We can only process so much information. We are prone to biases, and emotions often cloud judgment. AI changes that. It can analyze terabytes of data in seconds, detect trends invisible to the human eye, and execute trades or investment strategies at speeds no person could ever match. Take machine learning, for example. This subset of AI allows computers to learn from historical data, identify recurring patterns, and make predictions about future outcomes. In finance, this can mean spotting early signs of a market shift, detecting fraudulent activity before it escalates, or predicting which sectors will outperform in the next quarter. Imagine having a system that continuously monitors global markets, geopolitical news, social media sentiment, commodity flows, and corporate earnings, then synthesizes it into actionable insights for your portfolio. That's not a dream. That's AI today. AI is already revolutionizing trading and investing. Hedge funds and investment banks are no longer relying solely on human analysts. They are deploying sophisticated algorithms that can trade thousands of times faster than humans, adapt to changing conditions in milliseconds, and learn from each success and failure. These algorithms aren't just following past trends. They are anticipating movements based on complex interdependencies, like macroeconomic indicators, policy changes, and even climate events. For the individual investor, this shift is monumental. The tools that once required teams of PhDs are becoming accessible to anyone with a computer or smartphone. But AI's impact isn't limited to trading speed. It's transforming wealth-building strategies altogether. Imagine personalized investment advisors powered by AI that understand your financial goals, risk tolerance, and timeline. These systems can construct portfolios tailored to your exact needs, rebalance them automatically in response to market changes, and even identify new asset classes that align with your objectives. It's like having a team of elite financial analysts working 24/7, without the human error, bias, or fatigue. Wealth creation becomes more precise, efficient, and informed than ever before. The futuristic potential of AI goes beyond traditional markets. Consider decentralized finance, or DeFi. AI can manage complex, smart contracts, automatically allocate funds across digital assets, and even optimize yield farming strategies in real time. It can detect vulnerabilities in decentralized networks before hackers exploit them, and alert investors to emerging opportunities in digital assets that were once too complex for ordinary investors to navigate. Essentially, AI democratizes access to advanced strategies that were previously the domain of institutional players. Another game changer is predictive analytics for macroeconomic trends. AI can combine vast data sets, global trade flows, commodity prices, energy consumption, social media sentiment, corporate supply chains, to model scenarios for entire economies. Investors can anticipate inflation spikes, currency shifts, or sector rotations before the traditional news cycle even reports them. This level of foresight transforms wealth building from a reactive exercise into a proactive strategy. The future of investing isn't just about reacting to the market. It's about predicting it. Of course, this revolution raises important questions. How much should we trust AI with our money? After all, algorithms are only as good as the data and assumptions behind them. Mistakes, biases in programming, or unpredicted black swan events can still create losses. That's why the smartest approach isn't blind reliance. It's partnership. Humans provide judgment, context, and ethical reasoning, while AI provides speed, scale, and insight. Together, they amplify each other's strengths. The wealth-building future will also demand new skills. Understanding AI-driven finance isn't just for engineers or programmers anymore. Investors will need to know how to interpret AI insights, how to integrate them into broader strategies, and how to evaluate the credibility of different systems. Data literacy, analytical thinking, and even basic programming knowledge will become essential tools for anyone serious about navigating markets in the next decade. Another area of transformation is risk management. AI can model risk across entire portfolios with unprecedented accuracy. It can identify exposures that humans might miss, correlations between assets, vulnerabilities to geopolitical events, or the hidden impact of changing interest rates. By providing real-time warnings and recommendations, AI empowers investors to protect wealth more effectively than ever before. Imagine a system that doesn't just tell you your portfolio is losing money, but shows you why, how, and exactly which adjustments could mitigate losses. That's not theory. That's AI in action today. AI is also driving new opportunities in entrepreneurship and personal finance. For example, AI tools can analyze market demand, identify gaps in products or services, and even optimize marketing strategies for small businesses. Individuals can leverage AI to find investment opportunities in startups, real estate, or niche markets with precision previously reserved for institutional investors. Essentially, AI is leveling the playing field, allowing individuals to compete with large corporations and funds with intelligence, speed, and insight. So what does this mean for you? The truth is, AI won't replace wealth building. It will enhance it. But success will depend on adaptation. Those who embrace these tools, understand their potential, and integrate them into a disciplined financial strategy will likely outperform. Those who ignore AI or rely solely on traditional methods risk falling behind. Wealth creation in the next decade will reward agility, learning, and foresight. The future of finance is also incredibly fast. In 2025 and beyond, markets will react almost instantaneously to global events. Political decisions, technological breakthroughs, and environmental crises will affect asset prices within minutes, not days. AI will interpret, analyze, and respond faster than humans can even comprehend. Being prepared means understanding these systems, trusting data-driven insights, and acting strategically instead of emotionally. Yet beyond all the speed, complexity, and automation, the most exciting thing about AI in wealth creation isn't numbers or algorithms. It's possibility. Imagine a world where financial stress is minimized because decisions are informed by intelligence. Imagine a world where access to high-level investment strategies isn't limited by wealth or connections. Imagine using AI to free your time, amplify your impact, and focus on creativity, innovation, and purpose, the human aspects of wealth that no algorithm can replicate. In this new era, the question isn't whether AI will change wealth building. It already has. The question is whether you will adapt, learn, and harness it to your advantage. The tools are here. The systems are evolving. The signals are clear. Those who seize the moment will find themselves ahead of the curve, empowered by insight, efficiency, and vision. So, is AI about to revolutionize how we build wealth? Absolutely. But the revolution isn't just technological, it's human. It's about pairing intuition with intelligence, curiosity with computation, and ambition with strategy. The future isn't waiting. Markets are moving, data is flowing, and AI is already shaping the next generation of financial leaders. The opportunity is yours. The question is simple. Will you climb, adapt, and thrive? Or will you watch from the sidelines as the future reshapes everything you thought you knew about wealth? Because in the end, AI doesn't just promise faster trades or smarter investments. It promises a new era of possibility, where vision meets precision, and wealth building becomes a craft defined by insight, agility, and foresight.